So this is Jomtien here on the left. We're on Jomtien Beach front. The police station is over there on the right, or a police box. I'm not sure if it's a proper police station. And just in front of us on the right, there are some fishing boats. They go out and catch local shellfish and fish. And then they come here and they park up and they sell them. Okay, let me go and park here then. That'll do me. Okay, good morning everybody, or whatever it is. Yeah, it's morning. So just here is Jomtien, and we're on Jomtien Beach for the moment. And going across here, there's the Beach Gallery House, rooms for rent, and the Cullingbourne Cafe and Restaurant. And I'm not sure what else we got. The Blue House Beach and other bits and bobs. Anyway, I'm not here for that. I'm here for something really interesting to me, and that's the fishermen. Okay, so here we are on the beach, and they have your actual fishermen. You don't need to go to a backwater village to find this. You just pop to Jomtien Beach. So these guys here are sorting nets. There's I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a lobster pot or a fish catcher. I don't know what it is. But it's quite a large piece of kit just there. In fact, there's some more here. I'll have to try and find out what they are. There's quite a few here. So the guys there are sorting out the nets. And they're only small fishing boats here. They just pull them up on the beach. And there's a bag of nets here. Oh, there's a bag of nets there. They look quite newish actually. Okay, and then they've got the general junk that lies around, fishermen, just here. Small boats, bags of nets, this, that and the other. They're looking very industrious this morning. It's a nice little area this, because there's some shade under the trees. I guess they've all been out fishing already, but I don't know how it works. They don't always have the right time, do they? So there's something here. I have no idea what that is. I have no idea what that is at all. Oh, maybe there's some sort of shellfish. Okay, they're shellfish there. Let me have a look. This one moved then. Yep, they're shellfish of some sort. Okay. So as you can see, they're all busy doing stuff, eating their food, and they have these contraptions here. I'll just go over to this one. I assume they park here all the time, but they might take them home. I don't really know. I haven't looked to see if they're drivable, but they look a bit worn out. So this one here, let me have a quick look inside. Oh yeah, looks like it needs a hoover and polish inside. It doesn't look as though it's been very far. The key's in, so maybe you could drive it away, who knows. But on the back here, they've got a winch, and they use these for winching up the boats, of course. So you just bring your winch out and you pull your boat up, and that's just parked on a prom. There we go, parked on the prom, and then it goes over there and you can pull up your boats. I'm going to go. What's that there? Those mussels. They're mussels. Yeah?
But you stay in the sea too long time, then have this mussel.
So you can eat them?
Yeah.
Okay. They're mussels then. Okay, we'll walk along. Hang on. What's that? Mussel. Okay. So we're going to walk up along a little bit further and just see what's what. Oh, here we go. So here's a shop. It doesn't look much of a shop, but it's a shop. Okay, there's a drink of water if you want one. And then we got some fish. I don't know what they are, but they're some sort of fish. I'm sure somebody would know what they are. There's another different one there. Okay. And then we'll move along, and there's some bags of mussels here. Oh, there. I don't even know what they are. I recognise the shell. Conch type shell. And they have bags of them here. There we go. And then, oh, and we've got a sign here that says fishery. So obviously it must be true. Yeah, yeah. So they just go out and catch fish, shellfish, bring them in and sell it. I assume they sell to markets too, but I guess it's easier to just move here and sell it on the spot. Okay, we're just going to go up a little bit further and have a look. I think there's some more up here. Oh, this is the second lot here. So we have some more fishing boats here. These are further along. And there isn't so many here. Oh, this one, they've got a tractor down here. How about that? There's a cubby little tractor there. I'm not sure what make that is. Okay, so here we go. This is one of the winches they use for pulling their boats up. I'm not sure. There's maybe the fan belts come off. Whether they take that off to start it, I don't know. Maybe they do. And of course, they live out here in the sea air. Everything goes rusty quickly. Okay, that looks like a good bit of kit there. There's a little engine at the front and a pulley at the back. Bring your boats in. As well as that one, they have another one here. Let me just walk down to it and have a quick peruse. Okay, so with some steps here, we'll walk down the steps onto the beach, and then here we go. Oh, tripping up. Okay, I'm looking where I'm going. Here's a boat, there's another boat, and here's a cubby little tractor. Let's have a look at this one. Oh, looks like a good bit of kit. At least it's a good little toy. Seat's gone, they've got a few rocks on the back to hold the wheels down. And I'm not sure, it's a KRT 140. Whatever that is, who knows. It doesn't say Kubota, but it could be, who knows. Okay, we'll have a wander back up the beach, along the beach. Oh, there's Cetus beachfront, Pattaya. I'm not sure if he's being pulled right the way in, but they're winding up the rope on it. They're just winding up the rope. Okay, so, wow, look at these, what we got here. So, I'm not very good on, I don't know what they are, I'm not very good on sea shellfish. But there's a couple of big shells there, There's a couple of rays there from the look of it. Some sort of flatfish just there. And then there's whatever they are, 50 baht a kilogram. Okay. And here we have some more. What we got here? There's a couple of crabs there. They're big fellows, they are. They're big crabs. These guys. Okay, here's my shoe in perspective. How's that? There's my size 8 to give a bit of perspective. I don't know if you can see that. And there's a hand in perspective. Yeah, so they're quite big. There's some small ones in there, and then there's some other different ones in here. Okay. Is here. Oh, and here's another winch. Here we go. Looks a bit like it wasn't factory built, but there you go. I guess there's not really a factory to produce these. There's a motor on the front. The same one as on that tractor that we saw earlier. And there's a fan belt and a pulley and a rope which goes across and down into the water. There it is. Oh, and they've got a tractor here too. A tractor, I'm not sure what that is, but it's a tractor. Smallish one. Okay. Smart safety phone 4.0. I don't remember 3.9, but we're at 4.0 already. Crazy times. Oh, and here we go. We've got the man's working his magical machine again here. In fact, sorry, that's a lady. Oh, it's giving it a good old pull. Well, I guess it gets the job done, but there's not really much in the way of safety equipment there. I wonder how many fingers are missing off these fishermen. And then here comes the boat. Let's see the boat coming up. Oh no, it's not. It's a lady. It's pulling a lady up the beach.